So I am Rajkumar Agarwal. I am the MD of SVG Fashions Private Limited and also the MD of Raj Rayon Industries Limited. So we are a end-to-end solution provider. We start with manufacturing of polyester yarn. We have a 350 tons per day yarn manufacturing facility under the name of Raj Rayon Industries Limited. It is a continuous polymerization, like we buy PTA and MEG and we make polyester yarn. And then we have SVG Fashions Private Limited. This is a fabric manufacturing company. It starts from circular knitting machines, warp knitting machines, flat knitting machines, and weaving. And it also does Shifley embroidery and multi-ed embroidery. So we have our own dyeing and printing facilities, and we also have a garment factory. So it is an end-to-end solutions provider. Innovation at SVG is an everyday process, so it is not about this fair. So every single day, we produce close to 50 kgs of new samples. So say we assume 5 kg per structure or per design. So every day 10 new designs are created every single day. And we take customer feedbacks and something gets approved. So even if the hit rate is 5%, at the end of the month, you know how much you have, you know. So that is good enough. So it keeps us going. So at innovation is our, it is our bread and butter. So it is not like we do innovation also. We do only innovation. Rest takes care of itself. We don't sell commodity or we don't sell fabric or we don't sell garment. We sell solutions. So when you come to me, a customer comes to me and I ask him, what is the problem you are facing? Why have you come to me? So there are so many others you would have gone to. So he will tell me, okay, I am facing this problem, that problem, that problem. So we understand his problems. And then if we can, we offer him the solution so that he does not have to go anywhere else. So that is our approach. So our unique thing is our approach. Apart from the end-to-end in-house facilities that we have, the understanding of the product, and basically we are not trying to do everything. So there are so many fibers. You have polyester, you have nylon, you have viscose, you have cotton, you have modal, you have tencel. We do only polyester. Polyester and polyester spandex. We don't try to do everything, but what we do really well. And we do everything in that. So if you need anything in polyester, 9 out of 10 times I will say yes, we can do it and do it well. That is how we have been able to get brands like say Adidas, Reebok, Asics, Skechers. These are in the sportswear category. And then there are other companies, all the domestic retailers, they source from us. So that is how we are able to cater to these very niche, very selective people. So this fair, so it is only the second day. So a lot of buying houses have come and I think more are coming. So it will be worth the effort. I mean, so I don't see the fair, the result of a fair with the number of people coming actually. So relevant people are coming and so we don't evaluate it on a the crowd basis. So even we find 2 or 3 people whom we can talk again, it is well worth it. It improves your visibility in the particular place that you go, and then you have to be there in every event to be visible, and you do acquire customers. We acquired a lot of customers in your Tirupur fair, and they are now our regular customers, and they really swear by us now. They have dealt, now it is 4 or 5 months, so they have seen our product and everything, and they are like loyalists now. So that is a good result, and I hope that happens here as well. Already so many people have come. I am sure it will be good. That is part of the game. So that will happen. So you have to up your game. You have to keep on innovating. You have to keep on doing new things and understand. See, at the retail level, you are buying as many garments as you used to buy, but you are not buying my fabric. So I have to see what you are buying. So we have to be abreast with the latest trends and keep on innovating, keep on improving. So it is all right. Ups and downs will come. If everything goes like this, we will reach the moon. But it's okay. I'm not too worried about ups and downs as such. So it is a time to introspect, to set your processes into place, improve your systems, improve your efficiency, and it is not so bad. I mean, ups and downs are okay, not so bad. Thank you.